Why setting tech boundaries matters.
Digital devices are part of daily life, but constant connection can lead to stress and distraction. Setting boundaries helps protect your mental health, improve focus, and create time for real-world relationships. Mindful tech use allows you to make intentional choices about when and how you engage with your devices, rather than letting notifications and endless scrolling control your attention.
Notice your tech habits.
Start by paying attention to when, where, and why you use your devices. Track your daily screen time, or take notes about moments when you pick up your phone out of habit. This gentle observation isn't about blaming yourself. It's about understanding patterns so you can decide where you'd like to make changes.
Create clear boundaries.
Set practical limits that fit your lifestyle. This could mean turning off notifications during meals, leaving your phone outside the bedroom, or setting a daily time for checking emails. Small adjustments like these help create space between you and your devices, making it easier to focus and recharge.
Practice mindful device use.
When you use your device, try to do so with purpose and awareness. Before unlocking your phone or opening an app, pause and ask yourself what you really want to accomplish. By being intentional, you can reduce mindless scrolling and ensure your tech habits align with your values.
Support and accountability.
Tell friends or family about your goals to create tech boundaries. Share your plans and ask for support, or even try boundary setting together. Use tools like screen time reminders or focus mode features. Remember, mindful device use is a journey. Give yourself credit for each small step forward.